We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and honest look at the Jimcii Nano Tape Bubble Kit for kids with box, squishy maker making kit, nano tape bubbles, and toys for girls with step-by-step video tutorials. If you have tried this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it helps support the channel. The Jimcii Nano Tape Bubble Kit is marketed as a creative DIY toy designed to provide children with an engaging, hands-on experience. It comes with non-toxic nanotape, a selection of sequins and small balls for customization, and a cute storage box. The kit also promises easy-to-follow step-by-step video tutorials to guide users through the bubble-making process. The product dimensions are compact at 1 inch in each direction, with a total weight of 2.31 pounds, making it easy to store and transport. It is manufactured in China and holds a decent position in the toys and games category on Amazon, with a customer rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars based on 76 ratings. The kit is intended to offer fun for both individual play and group activities, such as family game nights or creative sessions at parties. One of the most frequently mentioned features of the Jimcii Nano Tape Bubble Kit is its versatility in allowing children to create bubbles of various colors and sizes. The kit includes a range of accessories for decoration, and the process is designed to be simple. Select the appropriate length of nanotape, insert a straw, add fillers like glitter or sequins, seal the edge, remove the protective film, heat with a hairdryer for 1 minute, and then blow bubbles using a straw or inflator. In theory, this step-by-step approach should make the kit accessible to children of various ages and skill levels. However, user experiences suggest a more complicated reality. Many reviews highlight the lack of clear, printed instructions as a significant drawback. While the product advertises step-by-step video tutorials, several users report that the videos are difficult to follow or of poor quality. This lack of accessible guidance has led to frustration for both children and adults. In multiple cases, children struggle to figure out the process on their own, leading to wasted materials and, in some instances, tears. Parents and gift givers have noted that including a simple instruction sheet would greatly improve the user experience and reduce the learning curve. The quality of the materials is another point of contention. While the nanotape itself is described as durable and non-toxic, several reviewers found the overall construction of the kit to be cheaply made. The plastic components, including the storage box, were criticized for being flimsy and prone to breaking, sometimes even during the initial unboxing. Some customers received their kits with damaged packaging, although Amazon's return and replacement policy provided some recourse. The disappointment with the physical quality extended to the accessories, which were sometimes difficult to use or prone to spilling and making a mess. Performance-wise, the Jimcii Nano Tape Bubble Kit delivers mixed results. Some users report that, once mastered, the kit provides hours of creative entertainment. Children enjoy selecting different fillers and watching their custom bubbles take shape. The process of heating the tape and inflating the bubbles can be satisfying, and the finished products are often colorful and unique. For children who are patient and enjoy crafting, the kit can be a rewarding activity. However, the success rate for creating intact bubbles appears to be low for many users, with reports of multiple failed attempts for every successful one. This high failure rate leads to wasted materials and can dampen enthusiasm, especially among younger children who may lack the fine motor skills or patience required. Another recurring issue is the stickiness and odor of the finished bubbles. Several reviewers mention that the bubbles remain tacky to the touch, which can make them unpleasant to handle and prone to collecting dust and debris. The chemical smell of the nanotape is also a common complaint, with some users finding it strong enough to be off-putting. Over time, the bubbles tend to become stickier and eventually break, limiting their longevity as toys or decorative items. This aspect of the product may be particularly concerning for parents who are sensitive to chemical odors or who prefer toys that can be used repeatedly without degradation. Despite these drawbacks, the kit does have its fans. Some users appreciate the creativity it inspires and the way it keeps children occupied, even if only for a short time. The variety of fillers and the ability to customize each bubble add to the appeal, and the compact storage box is a convenient feature for organizing the components. For those who received the kit in good condition and were able to master the process, the experience was generally positive, though not without reservations. The Jimcii Nano Tape Bubble Kit is also popular among professionals who work with children, such as face painters and balloon artists. These users see the kit as a potential addition to their repertoire for parties and events. However, even among this group, the consensus is that the product does not perform as seamlessly as advertised. The visual appeal of the bubbles and the novelty of the activity are offset by the challenges of assembly, the messiness of the materials, and the limited durability of the finished products. As a result, some professionals have decided to pursue other craft projects that offer a better balance of fun and practicality. Environmental concerns are another factor to consider. The kit generates a significant amount of plastic waste, both from the packaging and from failed attempts at bubble making. Some reviewers express disappointment at the amount of material that ends up in the landfill, especially given the relatively short lifespan of the bubbles themselves. For families who prioritize sustainability, this may be a significant drawback. In summary, the Jimcii Nano Tape Bubble Kit offers a unique and creative activity for children, with the potential for imaginative play and customization. Its main strengths lie in the variety of accessories and the novelty of the bubble-making process. However, the kit is hampered by several significant weaknesses, including poor instructions, low-quality materials, a steep learning curve, and issues with stickiness and odor. The high rate of failed attempts can be discouraging, and the environmental impact of the disposable components is worth noting. For parents and gift givers considering this product, it is important to weigh these pros and cons carefully. The kit may be best suited for older children who enjoy crafting and are willing to experiment and learn through trial and error. Younger children may require substantial adult assistance, and even then, the experience may be frustrating rather than fun. If you are looking for a creative project that encourages hands-on play and customization, the Jimcii Nano Tape Bubble Kit has potential, but it is not without its challenges. If you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed choice. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. Ultimately, while the Jimcii Nano Tape Bubble Kit can provide moments of entertainment and creativity, it falls short of being a must-have toy due to its quality and usability issues. For those who are willing to invest the time and patience required to master the process, it can be a fun, if somewhat messy addition to your collection of DIY craft kits.